Welcome back to Korean Step by Step. In this lesson, we'll cover shopping and asking prices. You will learn how to shop and ask about prices. This word means how much is this? Listen.
이거 얼마예요?
This word means this t-shirt is 10,000 won. Listen.
이 티셔츠는 10,000원이에요.
Here's a summary table. Let's read the examples.
얼마 비싸다 싸다 깎다 사다.
Oh, these phrases are used to bargain or ask for another item. This word means, please give me a small discount. Listen.
조금 깎아주세요.
This word means, do you have other colors? Listen.
다른 색깔도 있어요?
This word means, can I try it on? Listen.
한번 입어봐도 돼요?
This word means, do you have a slightly bigger one? Listen.
조금 더 큰 거 있어요?
It's expensive. It's cheap. Used for expensive and for cheap. Too expensive. This word means it's too expensive. Listen.
너무 비싸요.
This word means I'll pay by card. Listen.
카드로 계산할게요.
This word means could you give me a bag? Listen.
봉투 하나 주시겠어요?
This word means I'll pay in cash. Listen.
현금으로 할게요.
This, that near you, that over there, used by distance. 50, Occam 1, use Sino-Korean numbers with 4 prices. Now let's practice. Read these out loud before I do.
이거 얼마예요? 이 티셔츠는 10,000원이에요. 조금 깎아주세요. 다른 색깔도 있어요? 한번 입어봐도 돼요?
Great job! Try them again on your own. Let's recap what we covered today. Asking the price, expensive versus cheap, making a payment, this, that over there. Great work! Practice shopping and asking prices with native audio and quizzes at korean.mycorepik.com. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.